Welcome to another set of hair hack videos. Take your hair, tie it in the form of a half ponytail. Insert the ponytail inside the upper cap. Make a pigtail out of the rest of the section and then carefully secure it with a bobby pin or a back pin. Take your hair, tie it in the form of a ponytail. Insert a 5-legged chura pin through the rubber band and tie the upper section of the hair again with a rubber band and then secure it tightly. Take your hair, tie it in the form of a ponytail, then make 2 plaits, insert those 2 plaits inside the gap and then secure it tightly with a bobby pin. Take your hair, tie it in the form of a half ponytail, then take the rest of the sections of the hair, make plaits out of the rest of the section, then roll the other section above and then secure it tightly with a bobby pin or a juda pin, then decorate it. Take your hair, tie it in the form of a ponytail, give it a ribbony look, then take the lower section of the hair, insert it through the gap of the upper section, tie the other section again and then secure it tightly with a bobby pin or a back pin. Take your hair, tie it in the form of a half ponytail, take the lower section of the hair, tie it again and then make it through the gap of the upper part, roll it upwards and then secure it tightly with a juda pin or a back pin. Take your hair, tie it in the form of a lower ponytail, take that hair, roll it upwards and downwards again around the corner and beyond and then secure it tightly. Take your hair, tie it in the form of a half ponytail, roll the ponytail upwards and then secure it inside the back pin which you just inserted, and then take all the sections together, tie it, insert it and then clip it. Take your hair, tie it in the form of a half ponytail, then make a ponytail again. Repeat the same process 2 times. Take the rest of the sections of the hair, tie pigtails out of all the 4 sections and then secure it tightly. You are done here. Take your hair, tie it in the form of a lower ponytail, insert a back pin and then keep inserting small sections of the hair inside that back pin. Comb the upper part, tie it together and roll it inside and beyond and then clip it. Take your hair, tie it in the form of a lower ponytail, insert it through the gap, take the lower section, roll it upwards and then inside your hair, carefully clip it with the help of a juda pin or a back pin. Take your hair, tie it in the form of a half ponytail, then make plaits out of those 2 ponytails and then make it look like a circle and then tie it with a rubber band again. You are done here. You can always decorate it with your favorite back pin. Take your hair, tie it in the form of a lower ponytail, take the rest of the half of the section of the hair, tie it again in the form of a circle and decorate it as your own wish. Take your hair, tie it in the form of a ponytail, then secure the lower end again with a ponytail and then roll it upwards and then you are done clipping it. Thank you for watching.